Antiviral agents. Unlike the bacteria, viruses do not possess the cell wall. Viruses consist of one or more strands of a linear or helical strands of either DNA or RNA enclosed in a shell of protein known as the capsid. Classification. Various antiviral agents so far introduced are found to possess very narrow spectrum of activity. For example, the agents which are effective against DNA viruses are usually ineffective against the RNA viruses, and the drugs which shows the activity against RNA viruses remains inactive against the DNA viruses. They are mainly classified into 6 classes, that is purine analogues, for example acyclovir, ganciclovir and penciclovir. Pyrimidine analogues, for example edoxuridine and trifluridine. Thiosemicarbazones, example methicillin. Benzimidazole, for example HBB, that is 2-alpha hydroxybenzyl benzimidazole. Admetinamines, for example amantadine and rimantadine, and last one is the interferons. Purine analogues. This is the general structure of the purine analogues. Examples are the acyclovir, ganciclovir and penciclovir, having one substitution at position number 7, and these are the different substitutions for the purine analogues. Mechanism of purine analogues. See here, acyclovir is the prototype drug. Acyclovir undergoes phosphorylation with the help of viral thymidine kinase enzyme to form the acyclovir triphosphate. Then this acyclovir triphosphate selectively inhibit herpes virus DNA polymerase. So the faulty transcription in the viral DNA leads to the inhibition of virus replication process. The affinity of viral thymidine kinase enzyme. The affinity of the viral thymidine kinase enzyme for acyclovir is about 200 times greater than that of the mammalian enzymes for the drug. This explains the selectivity of attack on the viruses. Pyrimidine analogues, for example edoxuridine and trifluridine. This edoxuridine and trifluridine are the halogenated thymidine analogues and structurally similar to each other. This is the general structure of pyrimidine analogues. See here, X is the substitution. If X is iodine, then its name is edoxuridine. If X is CF3, then its name is the trifluridine. Mechanism of pyrimidine analogues. These are the compounds which in the normal cells undergo phosphorylation and then get incorporated into DNA molecule. Due to the structural similarity with the thymidine, it gets incorporated instead of thymidine phosphorylated form into the replicating viral DNA, and this results into wrong expression of the genetic information. Due to abnormal base pairing, it also blocks the thymidylate synthetase and deoxythymidine kinase enzymes in the viruses. Thiosemicarbazones, for example methicillin. Methicillin have the ability to form the chelate with the many metal ions like copper, zinc, nickel, ferrous and the manganese. Methicillin thus acts by interacting with the metalloenzymes that are necessary for the replication of the certain viruses. Benzimidazoles, for example HBB, that is 2-alpha hydroxybenzyl benzimidazole. HBB do not interfere with the adsorption, penetration and uncoating of the viruses. In fact, they act by inhibition of viral RNA synthesis. Next class, admetinamines, for example admantadine and rimantadine. Admantadine and rimantadine blocks the viral penetration or uncoating of the viruses. Amantadine allows the viral adsorption into the host cell, but it inhibits the uncoating of influenza virus and prohibits the penetration of viral genome into the host cell. Because the virion remains adsorbed to the host cell surface, it becomes susceptible to attack by the host antibodies. Last class, interferons. Interferons are the glycoproteins and are characterized by the features like non-toxic substances to the host cell, exhibits antiviral activity in extremely low concentrations, and they do not possess the antigenic activity. Interferons are the antiviral substances produced by the eukaryotic cells in response to the viral infection, and they appear very soon and sometimes within the seconds after the viral attack. Once released from the infected host cells, interferons induce the synthesis of translationary inhibitory proteins in the other non-infected cells. These proteins have the ability to prevent the transcription of viral mRNA and thus interfere in the viral replication process. Thank you.